So we have few stocks that we are going to review, and we actually I think these stocks are uh, in the value buying zone. So first we'll check the technicals, and then we'll go into their fundamentals. So if we see that a stock is valuation wise cheaper, and at the same time if I see that its fundamentals are also looking pretty good, then I'm going to put some money in it. So the thing is that I'm going to put money uh, from two point of views, one from long term horizon and one from swing trading. So if a stock is very much fundamentally good, then I'll have a long term point of view in that stock. And if a stock is not that fundamentally good but is technically at a point where I can have some small stop loss, and chances of getting a high profit is more, then I'm going to put some money in that as well. So let's see how I'm going to do that. First stock that we have in our list is SBI card, and you can see SBI card has fallen drastically from its top, and if it goes back to its all-time high, there's a chance of six almost 70% return. At the same time, Jeffries also has given a buy rating on that. And second thing is, if we go to its fundamentals, then we can see that its sales growth is perfectly fine, and for a finance based company, ROC and ROEs are also perfect. And if we go to P ratio, then we can see that its median P is 44, but currently it's trading at around 29. So then it's not that bad. And if we see the technicals, actually I don't follow the quarterly technicals, because like the quarterly fundamentals or quarterly financial figures, because what happens is that one one company can have a bad 2 or 3 quarters. So and sometimes businesses can be cyclical in nature, and if my point of view is long term, then I do prefer to watch yearly figures, which gives me at least an idea that if the revenues and profits are rising as compared to its past 2 years, then I think it's going to be a um, horse for long run, right? So in that case, and also you need to see that suppose if we go and check the profit and loss statement, we can see that obviously the sales figures are rising, so that is a good thing, and at the same time the net profits also rising. But this year is not that good for this company, and EPS is also like it's steady. And if you say this profit growth is not there, sales growth is there, but the thing is that CAGR is not there, stock CAGR is not there. So for that case, we can put some money in it, and it will be based on like not very much long term, but I'll have to keep a track on it, because there is some fundamentally there is some negative things out there. And if we see the NPA, like NPA is also like net NPA is rising, so this is also a concern. So yeah, but and also the net cash flow is there, so that is a good thing. And promoters holdings, like it's a very company where promoter is mainly SBI bank, so for that case I am little bit less worried, because like it cannot like uh, for me, from my point of view, it cannot just uh, go bankrupt, and the credit card business are actually going to go up with time. So yeah, I'm going to put some money in it. A second stock I have is Prince 5. Okay, so let's check Prince pipe, right? And if you see, okay, it has also fallen quite drastically, but it is in the downtrend. And there is no support or resistance nearby. So for the time being, uh, I believe, let me check its fundamentals. Okay, sales growth is not there. mm, okay, quarterly it's not good. uh, it's been in the downtrend for past few months. So I think Prince pipe, I'll pass no for some time. Let's see when it gets back to its track, and we'll also check LTTS. LTTS. LT. Sorry. LT. Uh, if you check here, LTTS, we'll see. Okay, it's near its 50. It's near its 20 EMA, and yeah. And if you see, the upside potential is like 28%. Let's see its fundamentals, right? So these are good, like ROC, ROE is good. Let's go to its financials, huh? So if we go to sales good, and profit is also good. No, profit growth is there. EPS is, you can say, it's steady from last 2 years, so that is good, because there was actually on the IT market was down in the last few quarters, so that is good. Stock price is not appreciated at all. Still, I believe it has the potential, because like everything seems good. So I'll just buy some quantity of it, and this will be just from long term point of view. Okay, because I don't see any stop loss or anything, so it will be just a value buying thing. Okay, and next we have a Pidilite. Let's see, Pidilite. Okay, I see it's falling, huh? And yeah, and you can say the FMCG index is also falling, so it may fall a bit more. And if you check Pidilite's, let's check now. Mm. If you check the P, so its median P is 90, it's near 70, so it's okay. And if you go to sales, so you can understand, no? The sales has fallen from last in the last quarter. And if we see year wise also, so it's almost steady, huh? So yeah, we can buy a bit, huh? Like small quantity. We can buy a small quantity, yeah, for long term horizon. Okay, right? So Pidilite is there. Then there is a Astral. Let's see. Okay, and if you go to Astral, because Astral is near its bottom Bollinger Band. So if you see Astral, sales growth is obviously there. The thing is that net profit is, you can say, it's almost steady, but the thing is that uh, 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 Okay, I can buy some. Huh? I'll buy some, a small quantity, a small quantity. Okay, and this will be also from a long term point of view. Then route mobile, right? Route mobile. Let's check. It has fallen drastically, and if you go see its fundamental, then let's check. So we need to know what Route Mobile does. No? Route Mobile is a cloud communication platform, like OTT player. It provides some solution to OTT players, mobile network operators, etc. Right. So you can understand like it has something to do with IT services, right? It's not a product-based company, rather a service-based company. It provides some like messaging, some OTP-based authentication services, maybe payment and etc. Right? I don't know exactly what they do, but that's the gist. Okay. So if we see the sales, so sales are increasing, profits are increasing, net profit is also increasing, everything is increasing. So the thing is that I don't know, like the liability is increasing as well, and borrowings are increasing. And if you see CWIP, it is not there, and net cash flow is there. Promoters have significantly reduced their stake. Cha, okay, but I see some. Uh, it's very much fallen now, so like the potential to go up is very very high. So maybe I'll buy a small quantity of right mobile, around, around mobile as well. Very small quantity, right? And I also have, and then there is pie industry. Pie industry. Let's check. Okay, so it has broken this thing, no? This 20 yen. So if you go to pie industry, let's check its financials. Uh, P is low, so that is a good thing. And if you see the sales quarter basis, it's good. It's all good. But then if we go for by, yeah, then yearly basis also its sales has improved, profit has improved, EPS has improved, uh, profit margin is good. Everything seems good. Borrowings, it is also reduced. So like I'll buy a chunk of pie chunk, huh? And this will be like, and after that I have Relaxo. Actually, Relaxo has fallen quite drastically, huh? And I have some quantity of Relaxo. Just want to see what's happening, no? Like sales growth is not there, and then like if you see the profits are like EPS has also fallen. But I see that actually I assume that there will be um, like some upside in the coming days. I don't know. um, it's a big player, no, so it will actually eventually uh, come back. And if we see the public shareholder, so it's not changed much. uh, and if we like if we discuss whether we can invest more or not, then I think uh, I'll wait for some more time, and then we'll decide, right? Because we have some holdings of Relax. So for the time being, I'll just stay put. Then there is alkylamine. So I'll just check alkylamine first on fundamental basis, right? If the sales are improving or not. Sales are improving, uh, but yeah, I'll also wait some more time. EPS has improved, but still I cannot like. Let's see. I do have some holdings of alkylamine, so I don't think I'll have any fresh entry right now. Uh, okay, then there is a Dabur. If you see Dabur, so I can clearly see that uh, this is like this is zone, na? Like this zone. So it's going to. I believe it's going to respect that, or it can come down as well to the lower ball in Japan. So the thing is that it's a good company, and 32% potential upside is there. And if you say P is also near its low, or you can say nearby its median, so it's a good thing. And if you see the sales quarterly basis, it's not that bad. But if you say year wise, and then it's all right. EPS is all right. Profit is all right. So I'll just because the FMCG sector is down, so Dava is down as well. So I do have some investment in Dava. So if anyone want, they can like have some fresh entry. But I do have some investment in Dava. So either I can do one thing. I can have some option strategy on uh, Dava. Let's see. But I'll not right now. I'm not going to put any money on Dabur because I already have like 20 to 30,000 investment in Dabur, and I have bought nearby here only. So I'll wait some more time. So if it falls, then I'll add more. If it doesn't, then I'll wait. Then there is IRCTC. Yeah, it has also fallen, but the thing is that IRCTC, if we go to its fundamentals, and if you see the sales, okay, the sales has not improved. Like if you see the year-wise data, then obviously sales has improved. Everything has improved. APS has improved. Net profit has improved. Margin is also good. So mhm, okay, so you can do some investment in here from a long-term point of view. Okay, so I'll buy a small quantity of IRCTC from a long term point of view. All right. Then there is Nestle, uh, because FMCG sector is down, so that's why Nestle is also falling. Likewise, Dabur. So I'll wait some more time. Then there is MGL. Okay, let's see MGL. If we go see its sales has improved, right? Yearly basis sales has improved as well. Profit margin has reduced. So like it's a gas company, and the crude price has been not very much kind to oil and gas companies in last year. So maybe because of that the margin has uh, fallen. So that is not a problem, I believe. But the cash flow is negative, so that is also something to worry about. Promoters government, public. So public share has fallen, and one thing we can do is like we can put some money in it, and yeah, like there's a upside potential of 62%. So I'll just uh, maybe I'll wait a bit, right? I'll wait a bit, or maybe I can put some money and like for swing. But there are lots of opportunity right now, so I'll just pass this. No paint. There's budget paint, but I'm not going to put any money on paint right now because there is so much clutter in the market. And there's Tata Steel. Let's see. It has fallen. Okay, and metal sector has also like fallen a bit. So if we maybe like I can wait a bit, right? And I'll wait a bit and then maybe I'll just add some more, right? Then there is one stock, Hero Motocorp, right? Hero Moto. If we remove all the drawings, right, like you can see that it has fallen like quite drastically. Like 40% upside potential is there, and if we go to screener, sales growth is not good, and if we see the PE is not very. P is relatively like good. It's near its median, so okay. You cannot say it's undervalued, but at the same time, it's not overvalued either. Right, so that is good. EPS is good, margin is good, profit is also good. There's not much growth, right? So yeah, but if we go yeah on yearly basis, then you can see um, sales has improved a lot, profit has improved, and then APS has improved as well. So yeah, that's a good thing. And also cash flow is positive, so I'll buy some chunk of it, right? I'll buy some chunk of it, Hiramoto Corp, right? Because it has fallen quite drastically and it's a good, fundamentally good stock, so I'll buy a chunk of it. uh, then there is DMart. Let's see DMart financials, huh? It's like it's a very the P is very high, but it's almost like its valuation always stays the same, so that is not an issue. Sales has improved, net profit has improved, PPS has improved, so everything seems good. Profit growth is there, stock price CAGR is also there, right? Oh, that is also good. Sales growth is there, profit growth is there. But if we see, promoters holdings are also good. um, Public holding has reduced. I don't see any negatives in Avenue Supermart, but it has fallen because I don't know. Like if we go and see the news, then maybe we can. Let's first check the matter. We see Ashish Kancholia, Mukula Virtual Source and Kachori. Okay, because of maybe IPO of Vishal Mega Mart and all. But I think I can buy it. I don't have any holding of it right now, so I can buy some of it. DMart. Then there is HDFC Life. HDFC Life. If it's HDFC Life, I had some of HDFC Life, and then I exited the stock, and for a great for a better valuation, right? So right now I think I'll wait more. Uh, then there's KPIT Technologies. I'll wait some more time, I believe, because the rally it has given. So then there is Maruti. Okay, Maruti. I'm buying a Hero Motocorp. No? So for the time being, uh, for this week, I'm not going to put any money in Maruti.